Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever created an awesome video in Canva and wondered, how do I actually upload this to YouTube properly, then you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the full process, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to create a YouTube-ready video in Canva, export it in the correct format, and upload it to YouTube without any confusion. Whether you're making content for your business, a school project, a vlog intro, or social media marketing, this guide will help make sure your video looks polished and professional once it goes live. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Canva and log into your account. If you don't already have one, signing up is free and only takes a minute. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the Create a Design button near the top right corner and click it. Now, instead of choosing a random format, type YouTube into the search bar. Canva will instantly show several YouTube-specific options like thumbnails, banners, and YouTube video templates. For this tutorial, select YouTube Video. This step is important because Canva automatically sets the correct video dimensions for YouTube, which helps your content display properly without black bars, cropping, or strange formatting issues later. Once the workspace opens, you'll see Canva's template library filled with professionally designed layouts. Take your time browsing through them. Some templates are bold and energetic, while others are more minimal and clean. Try to choose something that matches your content style or brand identity. And remember, the template is just your starting point. You can customize almost everything later, so don't worry about finding something perfect immediately. Once you pick a template, it's time to personalize your video. Start by changing the text to fit your message. You can update titles, subtitles, or calls to action. Then upload your own photos, video clips, or logos if you want the content to feel more branded and unique. You can also change fonts, colors, backgrounds, and animations to better match your style. If you're new to Canva video editing, don't rush this part. Spend a little time experimenting with transitions, timing, and layouts. Canva makes it really easy to drag elements around and preview changes instantly. One helpful tip is to keep your design clean and readable. On YouTube, viewers often decide within a few seconds whether they want to continue watching, so clear visuals and simple layouts usually perform best. As you build your video, preview it regularly using the play button. This helps you catch small mistakes like text appearing too quickly, audio being too loud, or animations feeling distracting. If your video includes music or voiceovers, make sure the sound levels are balanced. Canva gives you basic audio controls, so you can lower background music if it's overpowering your narration. Once everything looks the way you want, it's time to export your project. Go to the top right corner and click Share, then select Download. For the file type, choose MP4 video. This is the standard format YouTube works best with and gives you solid quality while keeping the file manageable in size. Depending on how long or detailed your video is, Canva may take a few moments to process the export. Larger projects with lots of animations or effects usually take a little longer, so just give it a minute. Now for the final step, uploading to YouTube. Open YouTube in a new tab and sign in to your account. In the top right corner, click the camera icon with the plus sign and choose Upload Video. From here, drag your downloaded MP4 file into the upload window or browse for it manually on your computer. While the video uploads, you can add your title, description, and thumbnail. Take your time here because these details matter more than most people realize. A strong title and attractive thumbnail can make a huge difference in whether people click on your video. You can also choose your audience settings, visibility options, and playlist organization before publishing. Once everything looks good, hit publish and your Canva video is officially live on YouTube. And that's it. You've successfully gone from creating a video in Canva to uploading it professionally on YouTube. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below with what kind of videos you're creating, and subscribe for more easy step-by-step Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.